Hi, my friends. This is Miss Alexander, and I wanted to welcome you back. We are now going to jump into our Scratch project, and I'm going to label it, and I always label it with my number from the class. And we also label it, ready? What the activity is so that I know. So my students have numbers, and they use their numbers, and then the name of it. So I'm 37, so I'm going to say interactive collage. As I said in the earlier video, I'm not a big cat person, so I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Scratch Cat. And what I'm going to do is grab 3 items, 3 sprites for me. You can do as many as you want. I'm just doing a little video to show you. I'm going to grab 3 of them. Being I'm a teacher, I always like to get the apple. Because to me, teaching is important, and why not have an apple? The next one is, I'm a big puppy fan. So I'm going to look over here and look for dogs. Look at these cats. They're cute. And I like the dogs, but there's one I really like. I like this one. So we're going to grab this little guy. I'm going to move him down right over here. But I don't want him at 100%. So we're going to change his size. I'm going to do 75%. He just gets a little smaller. Okay, and then to show a little bit more of me outside of school, I'm going to go with one more item. I'm going to search, but this is going to be more fantasy. I play these games on my tablet, you guys, that I like to raise dragons. I also like to hatch their eggs and make it just a lot of fun. Most of the games I play hatches eggs. Like there's one game is Pokemon, and well, Pokemon Go, you've got to walk to hatch those eggs, and that's what I like to do. So now that I've got these set up, I need to add in the backgrounds, you guys. So right over here, I'm going to grab my first background. I'm just going to choose it. I think I want my characters, my sprites, we're going to always walk on the beach. Because I enjoy walking and I love looking at water. I know here in Arizona we don't have it, but that's okay. I like doing it anyways. And I need to add another background. So I'm going to go back, and because I'm a teacher, we're going to go ahead and grab the school. So if you notice, I keep adjusting my sprites because I want them in a good spot for all the pictures. Now that I've done that, I also want to add one more background. You guys ready for this? I need, oh, they don't have it. Oh, yeah, we're going to go to fantasy. I need a castle. I like the way this one looks. Oh, and they are sitting nicely right there. So if I ever want to see if I have them all, I'm going to go click on it and then go to backgrounds. And I'm going to see right here that I have the beach, the school, and the castle. So now that I have the ones I want, I'm going to go back over here, and I'm going to start off where I'm coating my apple, you guys. So the first thing I'm going to do is I always want to start off with an event. I want to know how I'm going to make my stuff appear or move. I'm going to just use an easy one right now where I use click the flag. And now we're going to go to looks. And right here, I want to switch the background. So when this is clicked, I actually want it on the beach. I always want it to start on the beach because that's important. And then we're going to go back to events, and I'm going to grab the wait block. And the wait block is just going to wait. It's not going to say everything right away. I'm going to wait 3 seconds. And then I'm going to go back to the looks, and I want it to switch the background. I want it to go to the school. So I'm going to pick school. And then we're going to have the apple say something. We're going to say, I'm going to leave hello. This is Mrs. Alexander. And I'm going to have this set up for about 7 seconds. And then after that 7 seconds, I'm going to have it switch its background back to the beach. I'm always going to use that beach as the main background that all of them will always go back to. Now that I've got my apple set up, watch. So do you see how that worked? Kind of cool, right? And it goes right back to the beach. So now I'm going to go to my puppy and we're going to code my puppy. Again, I'm just going to use the easiest one possible and I'm going to hit when the flag's clicked. Right now, all three of them are going to do things, but after the flag's been clicked. So I'm going to now pull this and wait 11 seconds. And then we're going to switch the background. After 11 seconds, it's going to switch to the field. Oh, I forgot the field. I need it for my puppy. So we're going to quick go the backgrounds because I forgot one, and that's okay. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's good too. So we're going to use the playing field for the puppy after 11 seconds. And we want him to say, puppies are really cool. And again, I try to have all my words up for about 7 seconds. That gives people time to read. And then we're going to switch the background back to my beach. Okay. Let's check it out. So switch to the beach. We should switch to the school. Look at this. And then switch back to the beach. Switch there. Look at that. And now we're going to do it with the dragon. And the dragon is the exact same thing. I'm making it as simple as possible. Your kids or you can make it more because there's more things you could do right here. But right now, just to make it quick, I'm making it where everything's happening at once. And again, we go back to our looks. And right here, we're going to have it go to our castle. And then have the dragon say, come help me hatch some eggs. Let's see what we can hatch. And then again, 7 seconds. And then at the end, we get to switch back to the beach. So let's go and see how this looks. So we start off at the beach, go to school, and we give it enough time so we're back to the beach, back to the playing field because we're playing with the puppies. And then we go back to the beach. Always cool to be at the beach. Look at that nice view. And then we go to the dragons, which goes to the... Oh, I just realized what I did. I wanted 11 seconds, not... 19 seconds. So I made a boo-boo. I put in too many numbers. Let's try that again. So we start off at the beach, go to school. Okay. After about 7 seconds, we're back at the beach. We go to the park, the soccer field. Back to the beach. We go to the castle. And then we're done. This is just a little example of an interactive collage explaining who Mrs. Alexander is. If I wanted to, I'd add more like my smile, giggle, and wiggle because that's something else I like to do. But right now, have fun, play around, and see what kind of trouble you can get into. And always remember to smile, giggle, and wiggle. I will talk to you later. Bye.